Blue Eye Pioneer. The Blue Eye Pioneer was designed by Blue Eye Robotics with the intention of being the world's best professional underwater drone. It's a remotely operated vehicle, capable of exploring depths of 150 meters, providing crystal clear images and video with the help of a 1080p 30 frames per second HD camera. It was developed to be used by marine biologists, engineers, and welders, but due to its relative ease of use and the fact that it is such a fun piece of technology, it has begun to see some use by hobbyists and amateur users. Designed to be durable enough to stand up to the worst the ocean has to offer, the Pioneer can explore the depths of the ocean no matter the conditions for as long as 2 hours on a single battery charge. Intrigued? Well, you can have the Blue Eye Pioneer at prices starting from $9,878. Power Dolphin. The Power Dolphin makes use of a dual-joint rotating camera with an ultra-wide shooting angle to give you the best possible shooting experience. Developed to provide as much as 132 to 220 degree shooting angle, as well as field of view ranging from 150 to plus 70 degrees, and an incomparable above water and underwater shooting experience. The Power Dolphin is truly the king of the ocean. It is powered by a 5800 mAh IPX8 battery, which provides up to 2 hours of battery life, as well as Power Seeker and the innovative Vision Plus 2 app, which gives it an unparalleled path and track planning function, with the mapping and development of an underwater topographic map. The Power Dolphin represents the best chance of success in your filming efforts. The qualities that make the Power Dolphin as suitable for FPV racing as it is for fishing mapping include its ability to obtain and relate highly accurate scientific information, its high water resistant, and its ability to travel at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. This amazing device can be yours at prices starting from $799. Fifish V6. The Fifish V6, as the name implies, has not one but 6 thrusters, offering unparalleled direction and freedom of movement. The importance of this is particularly significant in underwater filming, where you want the best possible maneuverability in order to reach the most inaccessible places. As if this was not enough, the Fifish V6 also comes with the ability to combine different movements, such as bow, dive, nose, or spiral, without compromising rotational stability. It also comes with an impressive total power of 4,000 lumens, granted by 2 powerful headlights of 2,000 lumens each. Images and videos are captured in 4K quality with 30 frames per second, and in 1080p with an impressive 120 frames per second to achieve great slow motion. For those who need an extra leg up, the Fifish V6 also uses an underwater image algorithm that improves color rendering, as well as different modes with which to control it. Attitude mode for beginners who need help with depth stabilization, sport mode for more advanced divers, and the ability to use head tracking mode using a pair of VR goggles for better maneuverability. You can purchase the Fifish V6 at prices starting from $1,599. Beaky. The Beaky Bionic underwater drone was developed to be the best option for underwater photography, showing unparalleled automated balance, obstacle avoidance, and return-to-base features that help you get the best possible shot. Armed with a 4K camera, the Beaky provides crystal-clear pictures and videos even in low light and high-speed scenarios, as well as the capability to last for as long as 120 minutes at depths of up to 196 feet. The Beaky can swim along with you on your underwater journey, providing stable videos with the use of a high-definition movement camera and an anti-shake camera platform that is based on an eccentric pan and tilt head. It also comes with 150-degree wide-angle lenses, as well as 2x114 lumens lights, guaranteed to give you the best possible view of the underwater landscape. Bionic sonar echolocation and built-in GPS module give the Beaky the edge over the competition and make it well worth the $729 price tag. iBubble. The iBubble makes use of innovative underwater localization technology to track and automatically record your underwater experience. It is a smart wireless drone with diving and recording capabilities that can reach depths of 60 meters and speeds of up to 2.2 miles per hour, all powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery. You can create professional shots of yourself and other underwater sites, make crystal-clear recordings of your underwater experiences, and light up the dark with the use of powerful LED lights, which automatically adjust their brightness to allow you to capture the true colors of your surroundings. The iBubble is powered by 7 propellers, which provide direction and stabilization. And it comes in 2 models. The standard model, which costs $5,400, and the premium model, which goes for $8,400. Navatics Medo. Presenting the Navatics Medo, a remotely operated vehicle with a difference. Designed to provide one of the most responsive devices in underwater photography, the Medo makes use to a unique active stabilization algorithm in a 4-thruster design for depth and tilt guarantees stability and control. Armed with a 4K camera, the Medo captures underwater footage with crystal clear quality and the finest possible detail at 30 frames per second. You can also stream live footage at 1080p to the Navatics app, which features built-in tools for color correction and lets you share your underwater moments directly on social media. Adequate lighting is ensured with the use of 2x1000 lumen LED lights, powered by a 4-hour swappable battery, and control of the Medo is ensured with the use of a Navatics remote control, which uses low radio frequency to connect with a waterproof wireless communication buoy. With the above functionality and a top speed of 4.5 kilometers per hour, it's easy to see why the Medo commands a price tag of $1,999. Gladius. Gladius underwater drone is capable of amazing underwater feats, diving to depths of 100 meters with a horizontal range of 500 meters, being submerged for as long as 3 hours, and taking Ultra HD 1080p 4K quality photos and videos even in low light settings. The Gladius can be used by a range of people including professional scuba divers, underwater photographers, or just hobbyists, and is guaranteed to give you the best results every time. It boasts of easy-to-operate piloting controls, low-light sensors, and image quality algorithms, along with 2 1200 lumens headlights, which ensure that you get clear and distortion-free imagery even at the depths of the ocean. The Gladius weighs a manageable 3 kilograms and measures 16.9 by 10.2 by 3.7 inches for easy portability. and gets around with the use of quad thrusters, which ensure 4 degrees of freedom and gaming-like controller. It is available for purchase at prices starting from $599.